Welcome to the dual credit registration page. You will use this page to register for your current semester dual credit classes through MVCC that you are taking at your high school. You will be able to enter all of your current dual credit classes, so you only need to fill this form out once. Start by inputting your last name, first name, and MI, which is your middle initial. If you don't have one, you can leave it blank. Your date of birth must be entered in the format shown. You must include a 2-digit month, a 2-digit day, and a 4-digit year. If you do not enter it in this format, it will blank out and you must enter it again. SSN is your social security number, but if you don't know it, you can leave it blank. It is not required on this form. Next is gender, followed by physical address. If you have a P.O. Box number, please put your physical address down, followed by your P.O. Box number as shown. You will then fill in city, state, zip, and the county that you live in. Next is email address, which is required because we will send you an email with your login information for your MVCC student account where you can check your unofficial transcript and your current dual credit schedule. We ask that you put your personal email address down because sometimes your school email filter will block our emails from getting to you. You will then input your phone number, your current high school, and your expected graduation year. The box that asks if you have ever attended MVCC before is asking if you have ever taken a dual credit class in the past or came to campus for a class. If you have before this semester, then select yes. If not, then no. The next box that asks if you are attending through BOCES should only be checked if you are registering for classes taught at BOCES. In the center of this form is the course selection. There is a semester drop-down box in the center in which you will enter the current semester. Below that, there are blank boxes for CRN, course number, and class title. This information can be found on the course list provided with this video. You will enter all the courses that you are currently taking. If a course has a lab component, it will be underneath the course name on your high school course list that you will enter that below in the second line. An example would be taking MA 115 Intermediate Mathematics, which has a lab component, so it would look like this. Once you are finished entering all your dual credit classes, you will enter the survey questions of ethnic identity, race, and primary educational objective, which is just asking you what you think you want to do after high school. If you are not sure, you can select the bottom option of uncertain. Once you are finished entering that information, click the Submit button on the bottom right. You should then get a green banner screen saying thank you for registering. If you missed any of the required fields, it will let you know. Once you fix those, submit it again to get the green banner screen. Once you get the green banner screen, you are registered and can close out your window. If you realize later in the day that you forgot to add one of your classes, you will need to fill out a new form and add only the classes that you missed. Thank you for registering for MVCC Dual Credit.